Divide 889 by 7 in long division method. 7 times 1 is 7. On subtracting, we get 1. So now we put down this 8 and it is 18. 7 times 2 is 14. On subtracting, we get 4. So again, this 4 is less than 7. So we put down this 9 and it is 49. 7 times 7 is 49. On subtracting, we get 0. So 889 divided by 7 is 127. So this much for today and thanks for watching.